Hi Skydians! In this video, you'll learn 2 ways that you can remove the fisheye effect from your footage. We recommend using the Skydio app as it's quick and effective and also stabilizes your footage at the same time. Once in the post-flight screen, select Create Clip, then select In and Out Points, tap Save Clip, Stabilize, and hit Save. Note that when selecting Stabilize here, it also removes fisheye distortion. Once the clip is finished processing, it'll be saved to your camera roll. The second method requires a computer with Adobe Premiere Pro. The first step is to connect R1 to your computer and drag over any footage that you want to remove the fisheye effect from. Then, drag that same footage onto your project timeline. Next, open up your effects panel and search for Lens Distortion and drag it onto your clip in the timeline. You'll need to go to your effects control panel and adjust the curvature and vertical prism settings until your horizon line is straight. We suggest starting at a curvature of about -20 and a horizontal prism of about 2, and then work from there. Depending on the shot, it might take some time adjusting the settings to get it just right. Once you're satisfied with how the shot looks, export your clip, and you're done. For more tips and tricks, visit skydio.com/support.